Today is the 22nd of June 2022. We have Kotikyläntie and Byvägen 4 tickets here in Espoon, keskus, Espoo Centrum, Espoo, Helsingin Hissiteknikot region, Finland. And this was built in 1979 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 40 years old in 2019, modernized in 2002 by Helsingin Hissiteknikot with novel buttons but cheap copy of them.
Yeah.
The modernization is turning 20 years old this year in 2022. And the serial number is VS5579. And will be inspected next year, 2023. But still interesting.
Yeah.
And a very rare mod. Because sometimes they also use those Stockholm style drum buttons.
Yeah.
From the midnight 90s to the 8000s about.
Yeah.
So this is of course better than those buttons.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, because it's a novel.
Yeah. Spektitpaakki vain meidän paikka on.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. The door is still slow.
Yeah. That's